doctored up this side here. Put the patch in on the floor. A few patches on the fender wells. A few more licks of kitty hair on there. Still got all this to do. That's probably tomorrow's project. Then found another farmer fix patch in here, so did these front corners too. Came out a little bit rough with the seam sealer. Yeah, she's coming. Did a cab corner there too. Yeah, starting to look good now. At least this side's all welded out and done. So, yeah. Fender well turned out pretty good. Yeah, this stuff's pretty bad. And the rocker off of our parts truck is pretty well the same shape, so gonna have to make this wall panel, which, yeah, a lot of little bends. Probably just making 2 pieces. Ba-da-ba